All right, league night yet again. It's Tuesday. We're at Big Bass Lake tonight. We're gonna get started in 15 minutes. Going almost 4 hours tonight, so long time. Biggest 3 bass. Gonna see what we can find. I'm feeling pretty confident about it. It's rained all day. We probably got 1.5 inches of rain. So we're just gonna see what we can find. Gonna try shallow water power fishing. That's what this lake is known for. And then we'll adjust. If we gotta go finesse, we gotta go finesse, but it's super dirty water. So stick with us. Pretty excited about this one. Should be special. All right, here we go with first bait. First bait tonight is a 6 cents Crush 50. Caught so many fish on this bait at this lake. Let's hope we can keep it up. There's a little bit of chop, which is good for us. So we'll see. After this, I'll go to a Nico rig. I have some top water that we might throw around because the water temp is definitely supporting that. 529. Oh, and I snagged my net. Oh, that's unfortunate there. On this first cast. It's not a bad omen. It's fine. Everything's fine. We make our own luck here. Gonna be cranking a rip wrap, hopefully all night. That's the dream. 5:30 lines in. Water's come quite a ways up since the last time I was here, so. Shit. Cool, cast nets are illegal here. Bitch. That's annoying. Oh, no. That's a decent sign though, at least there's a fish over here. Hey, we're on the board. We're doing skunk. He's gonna need to of course I call it the Big Fish Lake, and then this one is the first thing I catch. Typical. Probably the same one I hooked on the way down. Cool. Forgot how weird and gross and slimy these fish are. Like more than other fish. Okay, I'm going to tie on a buzzbait. Alright, buzzbait. Okay, so that's still an important fish because we didn't blank, but ultimately we still need 3 fish. Here comes the rain. Alright, that's enough of that. I do not think they're on us, unfortunately. But I do think they're going to bite this. There's another one, I guess. On the dink parade today. He's smaller than the first one. 10 1/4. I'll show you the release on this one. Sick. $20 3/4, huge bag here. One away from the limit at least, I guess. But that's gonna get beat with 1 fish tonight. That's my bold prediction here. 1 fish is gonna beat 20 3/4. Someone's gonna have a 21. Need this wind to get going. Come on. Fish. Yeah, that's another little one. Huh. Jesus. That's what you come out in the rain for. Might have to put you guys away for a minute. Okay, it's raining, but we got number 3, 14 1/2. Don't know what our limit is. Honestly, don't really care. We just got one. I think it's like 34 1/2, which is ass. Just got our 3rd, which you guys missed because it's raining like crazy. And I didn't want to ruin the camera. Well, we have 40 inches, so that's cool. We need a 20 incher to give us 50, and then we would have, realistically, not really a chance, but like more than a chance than we do now. I wasn't gonna keep fishing this, but I caught 2 off of it, so I feel like I kind of need to. There we go. Another little one. Never caught so many little ones here. Oh. Fun. That's what happens when you say it's a big fish lake, you only catch dinks. It sucks that I had to put you guys away because I've caught 2 15s, but it was raining pretty good. Oh, come on. Poop a dupe. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do if I lose this bait. That's a good fish. This is a good one. This is one we need. Yes! Let's go! That's a stud! That's a goddamn stud! Barely had him hooked, too. Alright, we're respectable now. Because this is a real good one. Check that out. 19-incher. Hell yeah. Get big girl back in the water here. See ya. Alright, well, let's get back to it. That was cool. Another one. Oh, there was another one. That one was so big. That was almost a 10-inch coal. That's a good one. Get in the net, hell yes. I hope he helps. You freaking got it. Ah. Ah. Oh, thank God. That was very close to bass the barb. Cool. That is an inch coal. We're over 50 now. Bye-bye. Sick. I just stabbed the hell out of myself with my hook, but right on. Everything so far has been on this bluegill Crush 50. I'm gonna retie. I feel like retying is probably a good idea. There's a few fish here. Another one. This is insane. This is a hook fingerfish if I've ever seen one. We survived at the very least. This is a good one. Pretty long, dude. Shortest is at this rate. 15.75. Sick. Another good one on the slowly pulling up. 50 and change right now. This is unreal. I'm not supposed the lake is healthy, huh? Hey. Just like a million little ones. It's like you catch a million littles and then all of a sudden you catch a really good one. This is nuts. This one's a little better. But not really. But it's still nuts. Oh. I mean, if there's this many small ones, there should be a big one around here. Alright. Ooh, right in the sun. 45 minutes left. We have 50 and change. What? 16 would be big. 17 would be bigger. And 18 or 19 puts us into we might win the thing range. But I'm pretty happy with 50. I wish goal was 57 really, but that was a little unrealistic. So stick with this for another 45 and we'll see what happens. 33 minutes. Still plenty of time to catch another giant one. Like this one. Like this one. Oh my god, it's big. Yes! 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 Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Oh, that was big. Oh, that was big. Yes, sir! He's long and lean, baby. Posty. Big posty. Big posty. Well, that's gonna have to work. Because he's gone now. That should do. God, that was a big call. That was a really big call. Oh, that feels good. We're getting there. We need another one of them though. We need another one of them. You could throw a wobber flopper up here. Because there's shad up in these rocks. That's something you could do if you wanted. That's a little one. No? He ain't that small. I don't think it's gonna help. Super spawned that one. With a 15 and a half, don't I? Or 15 and 3/4. If it's 16 it helps, but I don't think he's even 15. Nope. Cool. One for fun, you know? But ultimately, it's kind of a time waster at this point. God, I would have killed for a 15 last week. Hey now. Got a bloopers reel? That was funny. What just happened there? Let's just break down what happened right there. I almost dropped my rod in the water after catching a 14 3/4. Oh, I'm jumpy now. That was weird. Some over here and then bait break. That one might help. Yeah, I think he's going to. Nah. No, he's not. He's not. I'm gonna measure him, but I don't think he will. He's gotta be 15.3. I don't think he's going to. I shouldn't have even met him. He's not gonna hit 15. Yeah, 14. Waste of our time. Boom, it's gone. Alright, come on. God, I wanted that one to be big. Really would have liked to have caught one more good one, but I think it's time to head in. Cool, well, there you go. Alright, just got everything unloaded and back in the garage after the tournament. I ended up with 52 1/4, 53 got paid, and I think first was almost 60. It was like 59 3/4, so they crushed them. It was a fun night on the water. Caught a lot of fish, a lot of small ones. I've never caught that many small ones out there, but had a great time and can't wait for next week. Thanks everyone for sticking around till the end, and we'll see you on the next one.